Today we are doing a lift for our friend Matt from our friend Kevin. We gave him his takeoffs. So right now it's he added his tires, which are kind of the 35s. Right now this is where it sits. I would have liked to have done a side view. I'm sure we have one somewhere. But this is our before picture. And we're going to have some people over and install other stuff. So hopefully he gets some decent lift. Okay, so Matt is taking off. What are you taking off?
Oh, we're going to do a video of this one?
I don't know.
Okay, go for it. You can do the
Swipe our links and shocks.
Oh my god, filming with that kid? That kid's equipment, dude. His fucking camera. He's got a monitor on it like this. This is I got like 4 or 5 of those. You can drop that, I don't give a shit. But dude, it's probably like 5-6 grand of equipment. Ridiculous amounts of money of equipment. He starts going through the industry kind of
Trying to take off the shocks. What happened to the mallet I gave you?
A mallet, probably a drift pin, though. There's a big one. Will the big one fit in there? Did you get it?
No, I laughed when he said, "Will the big one fit in there?"
Oh, here's a drift pin you can put behind the bolt and tap it out.
Yeah, muffler, put a hole on it.
Last time I saw,
Have you taken that off yet?
we were taking the shock off. Oh, look, now we're putting the shock on. I guess did we get the spring on?
Spring's on.
I've been somewhere.
And we're
Spring's
getting the
on,
new
control
sway bar
arms
links
on.
on.
Yep.
I'm trying to get loose. Loose it.
Look at that.
Bend it more than my wife.
It's already looking taller.
Yeah.
To do the back,
I'm off on
it already looks damn good. Whole new Jeep. Taking off the tire.
They're just bumper. Nobody moved.
We're getting there.
January.
Rear shocks.
After around, I don't know what happens.
Okay,
Around 1 o'clock.
we are finishing up
And I don't know why.
the
Maybe because of the
final
direction of the sun.
tidbits of the lift, installing the front track bar, and then we should be good to go.
Oh, I got the hat on, bro.
See how this baby looks when it's lifted.
You're in the casino, right? Nice and air conditioned.
Tell you right now, it's already looking pretty damn good. Okay, we're just about done.
After this is just the shocks.
Torquing
Only got to torque
the rest of the bolts,
4 more.
and then we're going to torque the shocks, and then it'll be time for a test drive.
Don't leave your phone on the fender.
Oh yeah, we've already had somebody happen.
No.
We will not have that happen again. Coming back from the test drive. Did they hear a sound? We must find out. Oh, they're going back in the garage. We shall see. Was there an issue?
Just the steering wheel.
Oh, alright. So we just gotta fix the steering wheel and we'll be good to go.
Ride's a lot smoother.
It looks small, the tires now. They look so huge.
It's kind of cool with the other Jeeps in the background.
Okay,
I know.
here's the finished product.
Paper is cracked me up.
Lifted. You're still on 35s, right?
Yeah.
But it looks good.
Looks really good.
It looks so much better than when you came in. Come in. I'll show you the different angle from this way. since when we came in, it was this way. So you could see the difference in the wheel wells. A lot more space. That looks nice. Yep. There are the boys. Well, that's who all did the work, but John pretty much supervised. So, there we go. It looks awesome.